Looking to explore new apps on your iPhone? Let's find out how to download them easily. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to get apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search button from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, enter the name of the app you want to download into the search bar at the top. Once you have typed it in, tap the search button on your keyboard. When the search results appear, find the app you want and tap on it to open its app details page. On the app's details page, you will see a button that says Get. Tap on it to start the downloading process. Finally, you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to confirm the download. Once you have done this, the app will start downloading on your iPhone. And this is how you can get apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.